Okay, in this video, we want to factor this expression right here. And in the description box of this video, there are two playlists. One playlist has different strategies that you can use to factor, and the other playlist has a collection of practice problems. And so let's begin. Now, with this problem, the leading coefficient, there's a negative. So what we actually want to do first is factor out a negative, because we want the leading coefficient to be a positive. So put negative parentheses x squared plus x because negative and a plus gives us a negative, and then minus 6 because a negative and a negative gives us a positive. Next, we're going to just factor this like normal. And so we're going to have a negative parentheses. The only way we can get an x squared is by an x and an x. So put an x, we'll put an x. Now we got to think two numbers, they multiply to give us a negative 6. It's a little bit of a trial and error. Let's just try if we do positive 3 and a negative 2. We know this is right because x times 3 is 3x, x times negative 2 is negative 2x, and 3x minus 2x is in fact a positive x. So this right here is our final answer. Now if you wanted to check, you can always expand, so you can take your x and multiply by x, but again this negative, you keep it, parentheses, x times x is x squared. Then we'll do this piece, x times 3 is a positive 3x. Then do negative 2 times x, you get a negative 2x. And then a negative 2 times a 3, you'll get a negative 6. And we'll notice negative 6, it matches here. X squared, it matches here. 3x minus 2x is in fact a positive x. That's all we need to do for this problem.